Hello everyone. Let us meet Chinku and Chinky in this video. He is Chinku. She is Chinky. Brother and sister. He is elder to Chinky. So, Chinku is getting some pocket money from his parents per month. Okay, I did not tell you topic today. Topic today is combination of error. And we will deal with this topic with the help of Chinku and Chinky. Let us consider Chinku is getting some pocket money from his parents per month, and this pocket money is fixed 500 rupees 500 per month he will get from his parents. But conditions applied. Conditions are, if he will show some improvement in his behavior, then he will get extra 100 rupees. And if he will show downfall, then 100 rupees will be deducted from this 500. So 500 is fixed. That is a certain amount with uncertainty. Uncertainty means 500 plus 100 or 500 minus 100. So the pocket money that will be received by Chinku is within a certain range with a certain uncertainty. And this uncertainty is, it can be positive side also, it can be negative side also. Means it can be 600 total money, it can be 400, or if neither improvement or downfall, then it will remain 500. So pocket money of Chinku is not going to have one fixed value. That is going to have some uncertainty associated with it. So pocket money of Chinku with uncertainty is coming out to be 500 plus minus 100. 500 was fixed by his parents. Conditions were there. If improvement in behavior, additional 100. If downfall will be there, then there will be deduction of 100. So this is uncertainty in this quantity. So pocket money of Chinku with uncertainty will be 500 plus minus 100. Similarly, same conditions for Chinky. Now pocket money of Chinky per month, as she is younger to Chinku, so her money is 300 rupees. And for improvement, plus 50. And for going back, minus 50. So pocket money of Chinky with uncertainty will be 300 plus minus 50. Here also there is a range of pocket money for Chinky. There is no fixed value. Either she will get 350 or she will get 250, or neither positive nor negative, she will get 300. So there is a range of pocket money for Chinky. Same was there for Chinku also. And what was a certain quantity that was fixed by their parents? Certain quantity was 500 and 300. So it was coming out to be 800. Now if they are behaving well, both of them are behaving well, then what is the maximum pocket money that they will take from their parents if both are behaving well? Then in this case maximum will be 500 plus 100, and in this case maximum will be 300 plus 50. So here for their well behavior, total money that they will extract from their parents will be 500 plus 100 plus 300 plus 50. It means 800 was decided for them. This 150 that was uncertain, they are gaining this because of their well behavior. So this is maximum pocket money that they can have from their parents. And if both are not going to behave well, then what will happen? 100 will be deducted from this amount, 50 will be deducted from this amount. Then money that they will get from their parents will be 500 minus 100 plus 300 minus 50. So now it will be 800 minus 150. It means this is a maximum value. This is the minimum value of pocket money that they can have. And due to uncertainty that is taking place, there will be a range of pocket money, and the range of pocket money is going to be 800 plus 150 to 800 minus 150. So this is pocket money with uncertainty. And what is the value of uncertainty here? Uncertainty, this is uncertainty, this is uncertainty. So if together I will consider uncertainty value is either plus 150 or minus 150. So pocket money with uncertainty will be 800 plus minus 150. From where this 150 is coming? This uncertainty is sum of uncertainty in the pocket money of Chinku and in the pocket money of Chinky. 100 was uncertainty. Uncertainty can be in negative or it can be positive. Similarly, 50 can be negative, 50 can be positive. Here uncertainty was by 100. And here uncertainty was by an amount of 50. So total uncertainty in their pocket money was going to be 150. So when you will consider total pocket money that they are getting from their parents, it will be with uncertainty, and total uncertainty will be sum of uncertainty in the pocket money of Chinku as well as Chinky. So we can consider, this was simple example only. If I will consider that we are going to measure a certain quantity, and when we are going to measure a certain quantity, then the measured value of that quantity will come out with certain error or uncertainty. So this is showing measured value of that quantity A plus minus delta A. Similarly, measured value of another quantity is B plus minus delta B. When we will consider sum of these equations, we will get A plus minus delta A plus B plus minus delta B. Actually, A plus minus delta A is pocket money of Chinku with uncertainty, that is 500 plus minus 100. This is representing pocket money of Chinky with uncertainty, that is 300 plus minus 50. And sum of their pocket money was coming out to be 800 plus minus 150. So their sum will also be uncertain. So this is a result with uncertainty. Z plus minus delta Z will be sum of these two. So when you will add, you will get Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus B plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. So this Z is equal to 800, A plus B was also equal to 800. This will get cancelled with this. What is plus minus delta Z? That is plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. It means uncertainty in final result will be sum of uncertainty in first reading and uncertainty in second reading. So total uncertainty was 100 plus 50. So total uncertainty was sum of uncertainty in Chinky's pocket money and Chinku's pocket money. So final result of all this discussion is, this line you have to keep in your mind. Whenever we are going to have two or more than two quantities with certain uncertainty and we are going to add them, then during addition, the final result will also be with some uncertainty, and that uncertainty will be equal to sum of uncertainties in the individual quantities or individual measurement. Let us consider this is one resistance value R1, that is 100 plus minus 3 ohm. This is another resistance with error value 200 plus minus 4 ohm. So what is their net value in series combination? In series combination, you know, when resistors are connected, the net resistance is sum of individual resistances. So RS will be sum. It will be with errors. So it will be 100 plus minus 3 ohm plus 200 plus minus 4 ohm. So uncertainties we will add separate and values we will add separate. So 100 plus 200, what will come? 300. What was the value of uncertainty total now? 3 plus 4. It will come out to be 7 ohm. In the same way, if you are going to have length 12 plus minus 0.02 centimeter, breadth 8.16 plus minus 0.01 centimeter, and you are asked to find out the perimeter, then what is perimeter formula? This is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So this will be 2. What is length? 12 plus minus 0.02 plus 8.16 plus minus 0.01. So this will be added in this. This will be added in this. Then if you will consider, when you will add 12, then what will come? 20.16, and when you will add these two, this will be 0.03, and this will be multiplied by this separately, this will be multiplied by this separately. So your answer will be, when this will be multiplied by 0.06, and here you will have 340. So this will be your answer when you will do the calculation. This was in case of addition. Let us consider what happens to uncertainty when we are going to consider the case of difference. Let us consider the previous case once again with the changing conditions. In previous case we have done pocket money of Chinku with uncertainty is 500 plus minus 100. This is income of Chinku, and from this he is going to spend certain amount. So the money spent by Chinku is 300. That is also uncertain. Sometimes he is going to spend 350, sometimes he is going to spend 250. So this is showing uncertainty in his expenditure. This is whole income of Chinku with uncertainty. So what is his saving? If you will consider his saving, if he is neither going for positive or negative side, then 500, 300, saving will be 200. If he is not getting plus, means if he is getting money and expenditure without any uncertainty, then saving will be 200. What will happen if we will consider uncertainties also, and we are going to find the savings done by Chinku? It means we have to consider difference of these two quantities. Now saving will not be fixed. It will have a certain range. How saving will have certain range when we will consider uncertainty in these two equations? If I will go for maximum saving. Maximum saving means income should be maximum, expenditure should be minimum. So income should be maximum. When income will be maximum? When I will consider 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100. And expenditure minimum when it will be? When it will be 300 minus 50. So what you will get? 600 minus 250. That will come out to be 350, or you can write it 200 plus 150. This is the maximum saving that Chinku can do. It means 200 plus 150. This 150 is uncertain. It can be, it cannot be. If maximum saving, minimum expenditure, then it will be 150. If Chinku is going for minimum saving will be when? When income is minimum and expenditure is maximum. What is minimum income? Minimum income will be 500 minus 100, that is 400. Maximum expenditure will be 300 plus 50, that will be 350. So in that case, minimum saving will be 50. This 50 I can write as 200 minus 150. It means now saving is not 200. Saving is 200 when these uncertainties are not there. When you have uncertainties, then saving will also have uncertainty. Either it will be 200 plus 150 or it will be 200 minus 150. So when I will consider these two equations together, then range of saving will be 200 plus 150 to 200 minus 150. So your result will be 200 plus minus 150. This is uncertainty in saving. From where this 150 is coming? This 150 is a sum of uncertainty in income and uncertainty in money spent by Chinku. So actually we are doing subtraction here to find a saving. But uncertainties are not subtracted. Uncertainties are added. So when two quantities are subtracted, then uncertainty in final result is sum of uncertainty in individual quantity. So if you will see in your book, this is measured value of A. A plus minus delta A, measured value of B, B plus minus delta B. Here we can replace this by A plus minus delta A, this by B plus minus delta B. And if we will find their difference, then from this equation we will subtract this. Then we will get equation. Of course, this is final result with uncertainty. So Z plus minus delta Z will be A minus B plus minus delta A minus plus delta B. And A minus B will be equal to Z. It will get cancelled with this. So for maximum value of error, we are going to consider positive sign here only. So it will be delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. Most of the time you are asked to solve numerical on these bases. So for numerical, you will consider this line in your mind, that when we are going to find uncertainty in final result during subtraction, then we are going to add uncertainties in individual values which are given to us. Either we are doing addition or subtraction. In both the cases, final uncertainty will be sum of uncertainties in individual values. If you will go for one numerical, this is given temperature T1 20 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. T2 50 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. What is difference of temperature? So difference of temperature means from this you will subtract this. So 50 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. From this you will subtract this. But this will not be subtracted from this. Uncertainties will be added and this value will be subtracted from this. So 50 minus 20, what will come? 30 degrees Celsius. And uncertainties will be added. Either we are doing subtraction or we are doing addition. So here result will be 30 degrees Celsius with uncertainty of 1 degree Celsius.